You know, my country, they work from January to December, no time to enjoy themselves. So I'm trying to tell the government, you make it nice. So I'm currently in a country on a tourist movement. So today I want to talk about tourism. Nigeria as a country have not invested in tourism, and it is very important that we as a country invest in tourism. Now, if you look around this place, this is an, we call it self-catering apartment. So the essence of this hotel is that you come here, you are going to buy your food and make your food yourself. They will not give you breakfast and the rest of them. They have different kind of hotel. Now in this country, they make money with hotel. They make money with taxi. They make money with their beach. Even the chair you are going to sit on, somebody owns the chair and you will pay money. They make money with food. They make money with everything in this country. Everything. So long you came for tourist adventure, you have to pay money. Now they have people from all over the world come to this country. If you look now, there are white people that are passing. They are going into their room. They came from their country. We have people from Germany. We have people from London, from America, from even India, Belarus, Czech Republic, Russia, and the rest of them. There are many in this country. They make their visa easy for you to come because they know you are coming to spend the money. So as a country, do you know the funny thing? We went on a tour yesterday on some island. I think they call it my hair island or something. We went on a tour. We went there, look at the tourists, look at them, they have taken their key. How are you? You enjoy yourself? Where are you from? Russia. Can I do an interview? I'm from Nigeria. I'm a content creator. Do you mind if I talk to you? Do you know about Nigeria?
Repeat, please.
Have you been to Nigeria before?
Algeria?
Nigeria. Do you know Nigeria? Africa country, Nigeria.
Oh no, just took maybe Tunisia.
Tunisia. You see, they don't know Nigeria. You see, but Nigeria is a very big country. You understand? It's
Yes,
a very fun place to go enjoy yourself. Okay.
Okay.
But how you enjoy yourself here?
Maybe in future.
No, you enjoy this place?
Yes, enjoy.
How long you been here?
Third, third day.
So how many more days?
8 days.
Wow. Okay, I'm leaving some 2 days more. I'll leave. You're welcome. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Celestia.
Celestia. Hey, what is your name?
Alexei.
Alexei. Now you Russia too?
Yes.
Which part of Russia?
North part of Russia, 1,000 kilometers from Moscow.
Okay. Nice to meet you. You're still going out?
Yes,
We go out today, tonight, we drink alcohol there?
No, we didn't.
You don't drink? Good. I don't drink alcohol too. All right, take care. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Thank you. You see, these people are open. It's not like Nigeria people, you uptight. You work from January to December. There is no break for you to even go and enjoy yourself. I don't know them before. I talk to them. In Nigeria, you say, excuse me, I want to say everybody is a tip to you or somebody that do ritual. You can't stop somebody and ask them question in Nigeria. They will think you want to kill them or you want to steal from them because they have spoiled everything. That's what I'm saying. Open the country so that the country can be open. The mentality. I lost my phone in the bus yesterday when we went for a tour. The driver brought the phone back to me to my hotel. I didn't call them. They know my hotel. They know my room. The room called me and said, come and take your phone. You left it in the bus. Because the security in the country is normal. So the country is open for tourists to come. Everywhere is white people enjoying the day. You as a Nigerian, you work from, the government need to do something. People cannot be working from January to December. Give them a break. Let them go and travel and experience. Let them think. The politicians, they know that these things are happening, but they will not open the country. They will not want you to know because they want to keep tipping from us. Look at the country now. I'm taking you to the road. Today, I'm taking my time to do this video so that Nigeria as a country can open their mind to talk because we have all the resources. We have in Bauchi, we have what's that place in Bauchi? It's one place of like Obudika Torrent, Yankari Game Reserve. Don't you think people can see those Russians that even know us because our tourists they have scattered everything. Videos that place, see what people they are eating there. They are buying. People are eating. Look at that place. They are eating. Everything is happening. We our own. Fight. You want to spoil everything. This one is taxi pa. If you want to go to the airport now, they will take you with this small money you will pay. Opens the country to tourism. Look at the road, clean from the city from this whole city, from the beginning of this city to the end. There is no place that I've seen bad road. All the road in this city is beautiful. Look at this up. Show them this up. Let them see. They build their structure very fine. They are using it to make money. All this thing you are seeing is not people's house. It's hotel. They are using it for tourism to make money. Look at the road. It's smooth. Repair the road in Nigeria. Make electricity normal. I did not hear sound of gen when I came here till now. I have not heard sound of gen since I came here till I will go. Make the country work. Repair your electricity and the rest of them. Come leave the road, let this bus pass. Repair your country, that's what I'm saying. If there is electricity and there is good road, hello, how are you? You enjoy yourself? I'm a content creator. I'm trying to do a video for my people in my country so they can see that tourism is nice. You show them, let them see them. You enjoy yourself? Where are you from? You see, the Russian people are here, many. I just finished talking to two Russian people. They came from Russia, not Russia. They came to enjoy themselves. You know, my country, they work from January to December, no time to enjoy themselves. So I'm trying to tell the government, you make it nice so that people can work, have mid-holiday, come and enjoy it, help to open the mind. You understand, right? So maybe they don't understand what I even say. You know, in that Russia, not all of them understand English. This English that we are understanding for free is not... this our English is not that God give us for free. It's not, you don't take it for granted. Since I came here, I know that English is gold. So what was I saying? Make the road good, make electricity, let electricity be there, open the country so that it can be on the tourist map. Because these white people, what they do is that they go online to check countries you can visit, tourism countries you can visit. Once they see it online, you start making money. You see people that are selling food, people that are selling clothes, people that are having hotel, people, all this beach, all this Jabi Lake Mall in Abuja, and the rest of them will be open. The country will make money. Look at everywhere is white people. There is no black people. Since I came here, I've not seen anybody from Nigeria. Everybody is from all over the world, Russia and the rest of them. So this video, you have to share this video so that this video can go far. It will reach the eye of our government so they can open our country for us. We are tired of being the same. If Nigeria become a tourist country, you will see that job opportunity will not something we'll be shouting every time. We will have job everywhere. People will work, people can do everything. Look at these people, they are tourists. To let them see now, do you see any black person since I'm doing this video? All are white people coming to enjoy themselves. Please, what I'm saying is that open our country, share this video, make tourism tourism, there is so much money in tourism. Open our country to tourism. That is what I'm saying. Even as I'm trying to do this video now, some people will still watch this video and say this man and Shaibu don't have sense. I don't have sense. That's why even that woman is looking at me and she's laughing. Video that woman, look at it, she's looking at me, she's laughing. Show the woman, she's looking at me, she's laughing. She's waving. Video her now, she's waving me. Video. You see, they are telling me, they are telling me I'm trying. You see? Google me, I'm the spice creator. I don't need to remind you. I've gotten to the level whereby I don't need to remind you to even share my video. If you see the video, if I post it, share it. That's all you owe me. You people have been doing well. Don't look at my video and scroll. You have to watch it. I am the spice creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. I've made my own point. Thank you.